This soldered joint looks perfect, right?
Wrong.
It's actually broken inside. It's called a cold solder joint. It happens when the solder doesn't melt completely or gets disturbed while cooling. See the difference? Shiny is strong. Dull and grainy means the heat wasn't enough or the board moved. The fix? Check your reflow profile. You need enough soak time to activate the flux. Don't let cold joints freeze your production. Follow at PSI Global Tech for smarter semiconductor manufacturing insights.